Dorman Products April 2015 Top Parts Overview video. A monthly announcement on new, formerly dealer-only parts. New this month is our offering of remanufactured hybrid drive motor inverters for Toyota Prius hybrids from 2009 to 2001. Used to convert high voltage to the AC current needed to power electric motors, our hybrid inverters are completely remanufactured. This process includes 100% replacement of inverter cover seals for added durability and performance. Exclusive to the aftermarket, our direct replacement transmission stators fit popular Toyota Prius applications from 2003 to 2001. Now, you can replace just the failed original stator instead of the entire transmission assembly, saving time and money. As an added benefit, our transmission stators are redesigned with an internal sensor to detect overheating coils more efficiently. Also new this month is new truck bed cross-member kits for a wide range of Ford trucks from 2011 to 1999. Original cross members commonly corrode and become unstable over time. Our truck bed cross-member kits include all necessary hardware to help mount the frame to the truck, providing a convenient and complete repair. Our growing line of totally integrated power modules, also known as TIPMs, now provides extended coverage for Dodge Ram trucks from 2009 to 2008. These direct replacement modules combine the functions of the fuse block and front control module, controlling all electrical functions of the vehicle. For long-lasting performance, our TIPMs are updated with the most recent programming available. Also new this month is our seat adjustment cable guide. This direct replacement allows the position of the rear seat in Honda Ridgelines from 2014 to 2006 to be adjusted. Additionally, our cable guide has an updated metal design for long-lasting durability. Also available in this month's announcement are leak detection pumps, knock sensor harness, console lids, cab mount brackets, auxiliary jacks, and caliper bracket bolts.